In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT as a complete beginner, step by step. We'll start by setting up access to the platform, signing in, and understanding the main navigation interface. Then we'll explore profile settings, authentication management, dashboard customization, donor records, and the core fundraising tools. After that, we'll look at reporting, predictive analytics, data tracking, workflow automation features, and how non-profit organizations use these tools. Finally, we'll cover mobile access, pricing considerations, subscription options, security features, and a few important things beginners should know. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's understand what Blackbaud actually is. Blackbaud is a technology company that develops digital solutions specifically for non-profit organizations, educational institutions, and fundraising teams. Unlike general business software providers, Blackbaud focuses on tools designed around donor management, fundraising campaigns, volunteer engagement, reporting, and supporter relationships. One of Blackbaud's most popular products is Razor's Edge NXT, a cloud-based fundraising and donor management platform. Organizations use it to organize donor information, track donations, monitor campaigns, and improve communication with supporters. To begin, on the homepage, hover over the Products section in the navigation menu. A drop-down menu will appear showing multiple Blackbaud products. From the list, select Razor's Edge NXT. On the page, you'll usually see options such as Request a Demo and Ask About Pricing. If your organization already uses the platform, click the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. After clicking it, you'll be redirected to the login page where different authentication methods are available. Depending on your organization's setup, you may see options like Single Sign-On, Google Login, Apple Login, or Standard Email Login. Select the method your organization uses and enter your credentials. Now let's look at profile settings and authentication management, which are some of the first areas beginners should understand. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking it opens a menu containing account settings and security options. The first section you should review is Personal Information. This section contains your name, email address, contact details, job title, and other account information connected to your Blackbaud profile. Keeping this information updated is important because organizations often use these details for communication. To edit your information, click the pencil icon next to the section. This opens an editing window where you can update fields such as your display name. After making changes, click Save to update your profile. The next important section is Authentication Details. This area controls how you log into your account and helps maintain account security. Inside Authentication Details, you may see options such as changing your password, updating authentication methods, or managing login providers. For example, if your organization switches from email login to single sign-on, this is where those settings are managed. You can also use this section to improve account security by updating passwords regularly and reviewing your login settings. Razor's Edge NXT is a cloud-based platform designed for non-profit fundraising and donor relationship management. Beginners will immediately appreciate its highly intuitive, modern dashboard interface, which offers quick access to campaign updates, donor insights, and critical notifications. The platform creates detailed supporter profiles that consolidate donation history, communications, and engagement notes in one organized location. This data allows organizations to identify giving patterns and create highly personalized outreach strategies. For deeper insights, advanced reporting tools utilize charts and visual dashboards to track retention and goals. Notably, Blackbaud Intelligence provides predictive analytics, using historical data to highlight potential major future donors so teams can prioritize efforts efficiently. Additionally, seamless integration with products like Financial Edge NXT synchronizes financial data, significantly reducing manual entry errors. Built-in automation handles repetitive tasks like sending receipts and acknowledgements, boosting administrative efficiency. Finally, its mobile cloud access lets fundraisers update records on the go, while the website offers downloadable guides to fully support ongoing user success. Now, if you want to know about pricing, go to the top of the page and click on Ask About Pricing. Here, you just need to fill out a short form. Enter your first and last name, and make sure to use an active business email address rather than a personal one. Then, fill in your organization's name, your job title, and your phone number. Finally, select your country and your specific solution area of interest from the drop-down menu, and hit Submit to get your custom quote. Alternatively, if you want to speak with someone right away, scroll down and select Chat with Us. This will redirect you to the main training and support page. At the top, you'll see the Chat with Sales section, which is perfect if you are looking to learn more about Blackbaud products. Next, you will notice the Chat with Blackbaud University training section, which is incredibly useful for users who need help accessing their software training courses and certifications. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll see support options for login help, product issues, and billing. Just keep in mind that some of these require you to sign in to your Blackbaud account first. Live general support is available Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. If you need help outside of those hours, you can access the knowledge base 24/7 to find thousands of troubleshooting guides, or you can jump into the community forums to connect with other users and share solutions. If you want to see the software in action for yourself, just click the Request a Demo button in the top right corner. You will be redirected to a quick multi-step form page. First, enter your first name, last name, email address, and job title, and then click Next. On the following screen, enter your organization's name, select your country, and provide a good phone number. Once you are done, simply click Submit and wait for their team to reply to get your personalized demo scheduled. And there you have a complete, step-by-step overview of how the Blackbaud's Razor's Edge NXT works. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.